So are you wondering how to make highlight videos for your team? There's a couple different ways. I do a very specific way currently. Obviously, I'm here trying to grow my YouTube channel, and YouTube is not what I use to create the video. I am lucky enough, we as a high school program have a HUDL account, and so I'm on the varsity basketball team's HUDL account. I'm pretty sure if I were to have what we have, it would probably be pretty expensive. Back when I was younger, I know that HUDL was very affordable and it was something that I had personally, but I really don't know the setup of it now. But in terms of creating a highlight video, HUDL is a great way to be able to upload your video without it taking up a lot of memory, which is a great thing that I realized with other devices. My phone is unlimited data, so it wasn't an issue there, but for others it was. So HUDL will upload it easily, and then it has a really good clipping system to where you can clip for highlights, clip for teaching. I can literally, I feel like I move as fast as an AI bot or a computer when it comes to clipping HUDL stuff nowadays, and it just takes getting used to, really, like anything else. And so that would be my go-to for creating highlight videos, because it makes it really simple way to create the highlights at the end of the season. I do one for every single player plus a team one, and I have it down pat to where it really doesn't take too long once you just kind of get how you want it set up, maybe with a couple pictures or like record or something in front, or if it's a individual one, like one of their pictures. But outside of that, it flows really easily. The music can be corny, but honestly, the music is pretty good once you connect it to a video. It all sounds good and isn't as corny as you would think. And so that's where HUDL is definitely my go-to for creating a highlight video now, and working with it and clipping it. I honestly wish I had that platform for all my videos. They'd probably be edited a lot better. But it is harder to like download the video, share the video outside of HUDL when it comes to that. Once the video is made, you can order it for $9 each per video, so it's not too bad, especially if a player is just going to buy it. But so that's the only thing. But also with HUDL, almost all coaches, all schools are connected with HUDL, and you can become recruitable, you can reach out to coaches on there. There's like different ways to do it really easily. It's kind of just like a Facebook of college sports, high school sports, and obviously all recruiters and schools basically have a HUDL at this point in time. So while it is harder to share outside of HUDL, just sending the HUDL link, most coaches should be able to view it from there. But if it is something important, it's just worth that $9 to purchase. That's what I do for a lot of mine. And so that is where HUDL is a great tool for creating highlight videos when it comes to any sport. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please.